When it comes to car safety, windshields are unsung heroes. They're not just for clear vision. They're integral to the structural integrity of your vehicle. A well-maintained windshield supports airbag deployment and keeps you inside the vehicle in a rollover. Regular cleaning and wiper blade replacement are key. Dirty or scratched windshields can impair your view, especially in low light or bad weather. But what about chips and cracks? Small chips can quickly turn into large cracks, compromising safety. At the first sign of damage, consult a professional. Quick, specialized repairs can often save the windshield and your wallet. Remember, in severe conditions, a weakened windshield can be the difference between safety and hazard. So, give your windshield the same attention as your engine, because it's working just as hard to protect you.